Welcome to my channel. MERCUSYS MW300RE Wi-Fi Repeater Setup Best Settings. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Plug the MERCUSYS MW300RE into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait a few seconds for the LED to turn on. Step 2. Connect to MW300RE. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default MERCUSYS_RE network. Step 3. Open the setup page, open a web browser and enter mwlogin.net in the address bar. Follow the instructions to create a login password. Step 4. Find your Wi-Fi, let the extender scan for nearby networks. Select your main router's Wi-Fi name from the list. Step 5. Enter Wi-Fi password. Enter your main Wi-Fi password carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes before continuing. Step 6. Set Wi-Fi name. Choose a name for your extended network. You can use a separate name to easily identify the extender connection. Step 7. Save the settings. Review the Wi-Fi details and click Save or Finish. Give the extender a moment to apply the new settings. Step 8. Move the extender. Place the MW300RE about halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Avoid placing it behind large objects or inside cabinets. Step 9. Check the connection. Connect your phone or laptop to the extended Wi-Fi and test the internet. If the signal is weak, move the extender closer to the router. Step 10. Restart and test. Restart the MW300RE once the setup is complete. Then check your browsing, streaming, and download speeds to make sure everything is working properly. Thanks for watching.